just right over this ridge down that next flat, sounds like. Still pretty good piece off, but
see it? Pick up a little bit. You can always call. See it.
right down into the same spot back where it was at. See where on the hillside?
Yep, got it.
Afraid that one got away on us. Almost did. Get lucky right there. We got us another successful coyote stand here. Worked out pretty good. It's actually the first stand in the morning. Got little brother Phil back there running the camera. Thanks for the guiding service, Phil.
No problem.
Anyway, it's I actually done chalked his coyote up from getting away from us. He got up there in this little draw. I thought he'd come on up, and actually got high enough to get our wind. Our wind was kind of blowing right to left right there. But he come back out on that hillside, give us a chance. What'd you say it was, about 230-yard shot, Phil?
Yeah, that's what I ranged it at.
Had a little plane fly overhead checking cattle down in here. We should have held our coyote up here to let him see what we done for him. Right there he is. And it's a 2-pointer. Pretty coyote, clean. Look there, white tip tail. Awesome. Little paw biting. Look, the chompers on that thing. Yes sir, can't get enough. Awesome. Coyote down right here in Wyoming. This was a fun coyote stand right here in Wyoming. And our hunt actually started off from the truck this morning right at sunrise. What we was doing was stopping, putting the call out, and howling, trying to locate coyotes. Sure enough, we located a group of coyotes. And we moved in here and we thought we was actually pretty close to them, within 500 yards. Got set up and played female soar howls and instantly had coyotes light up, but they was more like at least 1,000 yards away. But we stayed right with them. Played coyote pup 314, run it up to about the 9 or 10 minute mark, and then switched to 10-town pups. And sure enough, we run it just for maybe a minute and a half or something like that. And we thought the coyote should have showed up. We was actually contemplating howling again, see if we couldn't get them light back up, see where they were. About that time, spotted this male coyote coming around the side. He actually about got away from us. He actually come up past us, trying to get our wind, got up in this little draw over here, and got pretty nervous, but eventually he popped right back out on this hillside, give us a good shot. I think I got him stopped with, I think I started running pup distress number 3 just to get him stopped. Sure enough, he did. I think it was about a 230-yard shot. Coyote down. Thanks for joining us on Tooth and Claw TV.